Hello and welcome back to our channel, The Roaming Investor. In this video, we're going to talk about choosing the best clothing brand for travelers. As a digital nomad myself, I understand how important it is to pack efficiently, have durable clothing, and look stylish at the same time. Therefore, I've researched and compiled a list of the top clothing brands that fit these criteria. First on our list is Uniqlo. This brand is known for its minimalist style and great quality for traveling. Their clothing is made from high-quality materials and is durable, which makes it perfect for long-term travel. Additionally, their clothing is affordable, and they have a wide range of options for both men and women. Next up is Patagonia. This brand is known for its sustainable and eco-friendly clothing. Their clothing is made from recycled materials, which makes it not only great for the environment but also durable and long-lasting. Additionally, they have a range of options that are perfect for outdoor adventures, which makes it great for travelers who love to hike and explore nature. Third on our list is Columbia. This brand is known for its high-quality outdoor clothing and is perfect for travelers who love to explore nature. Their clothing is made from durable materials and is perfect for extreme weather conditions. Additionally, they have a range of options that are stylish and perfect for everyday wear. Fourth on our list is Icebreaker. This brand is known for its merino wool clothing, which is perfect for travelers who are looking for clothing that is both stylish and functional. Merino wool is a great material for travel because it's lightweight, breathable, and odor-resistant. Additionally, Icebreaker's clothing is durable and long-lasting, making it perfect for long-term travel. Another recommended brand for travelers is Built. Built is a great clothing brand that is perfect for travelers who want to look stylish and feel comfortable. BYLT's clothing is made from high-quality materials, including their signature bamboo fabric, which is lightweight, breathable, and soft. Their clothing is also wrinkle-resistant, making it great for long-term travel, and their minimalist style makes it easy to mix and match. Additionally, their clothing is durable, which means you can wear it multiple times without it showing signs of wear and tear. So if you're looking for comfortable, stylish, and durable clothing for your travels, Built is definitely a brand worth checking out. Before we continue, please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button to support more content from this channel. Last but not least, we have Prana. This brand is known for its stylish and sustainable clothing. Their clothing is made from organic cotton and recycled materials, which makes it great for the environment. Additionally, their clothing is stylish and versatile, making it perfect for everyday wear while traveling. In conclusion, choosing the best clothing brand for travelers can be challenging. However, by selecting brands that offer high-quality materials, durability, and style, you can ensure that your clothing will last a long time and keep you looking stylish while on the go. It's important to note that investing in good quality clothing for your travels can actually save you money in the long run. While it may seem more expensive initially, high-quality clothing is often more durable and can last much longer than cheaper options. This means that you won't have to replace your clothing as often, which can save you money in the long term. Additionally, quality clothing is less likely to wear and tear quickly, which means you won't have to purchase new clothes while on your travels. So, not only will you look and feel great in quality clothing, but you'll also save money by not having to constantly replace worn-out clothing items. So go out there, explore the world, and remember to pack smart and travel light. Let me know in the comments which other brands do you know we should include in this list. We might do a second part on this topic. Thanks for watching.
If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to